What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be replacing an alternator on my 04 Ford Ranger with the 4.0 single overhead cam. I already got a little bit started, but I figured I'd make a video to help some of you guys out. So here's what you will need. You will need a 7mm, 10mm, a flathead screwdriver. Also using a little pocket screwdriver for the connectors. A little magnetic tray to keep everything together, and a 13mm with an extension. You can do this with the ratchets, or you can do it with the power tools if you have power tools. And you will also either need a really, not really long, but a semi-long 3/8 in ratchet. So I have this one here with an extension that can attach to the end, or you can rent the serpentine belt tool, which you can get at just about any auto parts store. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing I'm gonna have to do, which I already have done, is take off this cover here. I don't have it fully off, but I have it so it can swing out the way. You'll have two 7mm screws holding it down there. So then once you got those two off, you can take the other one off, or you can swing it to the side like that. Then you'll want to take your flathead screwdriver and loosen these two clamps here and here, and then this tube here will just slide right out once you got it off. Just like that, take that off. Next, you'd use your, I already have it off, but you'd use your serp belt tool, or like I said, a long ratchet with the 3/8, and take the belt off of the alternator. And do already have the connectors off too. This is where you'll use your pocket screwdriver to help pry that up a little bit, pull it off. Then you got a 10mm socket nut holding this part right here, and then you got your single wire connector that you also need to take off. Once those are off, you can loosen up the three. There's one up here, two on the bottom. Like that, it is out. All your wires out the way. And fish it out. So we do got a little bit of bearing noise. So the issue I was having is the light was coming out intermittently. After it would get hot, it would stay on. So I'm gonna go and throw a new one in. There's our new Rayman one. Now we'll just repeat the steps and get it put back in. I'm gonna put the first bolt on first to help line it up. Here's our belt back on. Next we'll do our connectors. I actually forgot to put one piece back on, so take the top bolt back off to get that back on. That's just to hold our wires in place. It's got a little panel clip that holds clips onto there. Like so. Not sure what that was, but it wasn't letting it go in. Now it does. Don't forget your single wire. Get this snug, don't over tighten it, you don't want to break the connector in the back. Just like that. Then we'll put our intake hose back on. Tighten these screws up. Swing that back over. And last, don't forget to, which I forgot to mention at the beginning, make sure you disconnect the negative from your battery. So don't forget to put that back on also. Last, we'll fire it up, make sure no more battery lights are on. And that's it. No more lights on. Everything's back together. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you like seeing more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Now that the weather's getting nice on, I'm gonna try and make some more videos. If there's something you'd like to see, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.